In this question, principal explains to us as to when an agreement under a mistake of fact is void. Further, the principal explains to us that an erroneous opinion as to the consideration which forms the subject matter of an agreement is not a mistake of fact. Now, the facts in the present question are: Madhur purchased a watch from Shivani for a consideration of rupees 2 lakh, whereas its actual price was rupees 1500 only. When Madhur learnt about the actual price, he sued Shivani seeking a declaration that the agreement between them is void. It is to be decided whether the agreement between Madhur and Shivani was valid and enforceable or not. So, taking into consideration the second part of the principle, which states that an erroneous opinion as to the consideration which forms the subject matter of an agreement is not a mistake of fact. So now the first part of the principle clearly states that an agreement under a mistake of fact which is essential to the agreement is void. Now we can say that the facts which clearly state that Madhur purchased a watch from Shivani for a consideration of rupees 2 lakh, wherein its actual price was rupees 1500, cannot be said to be a mistake of fact. And since this is not a mistake of fact, therefore the agreement between Madhur and Shivani was completely valid, making C the correct answer. That is, yes, as parties had entered into contract without a mistake of fact.